This video is about how to use your personal social media channels professionally. Engagement is a big umbrella term, and what it actually just boils down to is the number of times a person interacts with your content on social media. So it includes things like likes, comments, mentions, or reshares, or a click anywhere on your content basically. And this should actually be your biggest aim on social media. It's what you should aim for because it shows that the people who are interacting with your content are actually really interested in it, but also that you're a trusted source of information.
So how can I actually improve my engagement?
Well, here are some tips. 1. Don't just talk about yourself. Share facts about your sector, congratulate others. 2. Share other people's content, comments, answer questions. 3. Make your content visual. Use images that people would like to reshare. 4. Ask questions that people can easily answer. And 5. Tag people that you think would be interested in your content.